Men over 60. Let me ask you something uncomfortable. Do you wake up just as tired as when you went to bed? Are your erections weaker, your energy draining away, and your nights restless? If so, you've been told it's just normal aging. But that's a lie. What's happening inside your body is far more alarming, and the shocking part is it begins every single night while you sleep. This isn't just about aging. It's a warning sign that your body is missing something essential. Something so basic that without it, your ability to recover collapses. Men come to me and say, "Doctor, I sleep, but I wake up with no energy. My strength is gone. My desire is fading." They think it's just getting old, but in reality, their body is running on empty every night. Here's what I discovered. Men who struggle with broken sleep, fading erections, and drained energy all share the same hidden problem. Their body has lost its ability to recharge at night, and that nightly recovery is the dividing line between a man who feels 60 and a man who feels 80. Think about this. While you sleep, your body isn't resting. It's working harder than ever. That's when testosterone is produced, when penile blood vessels expand and repair, when your prostate calms inflammation, and when mitochondria recharge. If your sleep is broken, your body can't do any of this, and the very first casualty is your virility, your potency, vigor, and desire. So why does this decline happen after 60? Why do so many men complain, "I just don't sleep like I used to"? The shocking answer is that your body is slowly starving, not of calories, but of a mineral so vital that without it, your nights collapse. That mineral is magnesium, the single most important nutrient for deep sleep, nocturnal erections, and natural testosterone production. Without magnesium, your nervous system stays on high alert. You might fall asleep, but you don't enter deep restorative sleep. And without that recovery, you wake up weaker, more tired, and more frustrated each morning. Here's how you know magnesium is missing from your nights. Tell me if any of these sound familiar. Waking up 2 or 3 times to pee, light, restless sleep with strange dreams, cramps, or tingling in your legs. Waking up exhausted no matter how long you slept, irritability that makes you snap, and fewer or weaker morning erections. If you recognize even 2 of these signs, your body is screaming for magnesium. And here's the cruel truth. As we age, magnesium slowly vanishes from our system. It's in foods like dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and grains. But modern diets, stress, and age-related absorption mean most men past 60 are deficient. But here's the double punch no one tells men after 60. First, the foods we eat today carry far less magnesium than they did a generation ago. Second, your aging body absorbs a fraction of the magnesium it once did, even if you eat the right foods. And that's why, no matter how well you try to eat, the deficiency continues. This is the silent trigger behind your fatigue, poor sleep, weakening erections, and the slow, quiet loss of virility. Now, rebuilding your body's foundation with the right nutrients is essential. But let's be honest, many of you watching want results you can feel faster. That's why I need to share something extraordinary. A short video reveals a bizarre 7-second home ritual that targets what researchers call the hidden root cause of male performance issues. Men using it report steel-hard confidence, often starting from the very first night. Because while that fast-track method is life-changing, the long-term foundation begins with choosing the right kind of magnesium. And here's where most men make a critical mistake. When you walk into a pharmacy or supplement shop, you'll see shelves filled with magnesium bottles: oxide, chloride, citrate, malate, threonate, glycinate. And most men grab whichever is cheapest, assuming they all work the same, but they don't. Some forms barely absorb at all. Others calm the wrong systems. And only a select few truly recharge male sleep, restore testosterone, and revive morning potency. So let me be very clear. The 2 forms of magnesium that matter most for men over 60 are Men, here's where it gets exciting. Not all magnesium is created equal. If you grab the wrong kind off a drugstore shelf, you'll waste your money and feel nothing. But if you choose the right form, it can literally transform your nights, your mornings, and even your manhood. Let me show you the two powerhouse forms that matter most. The first is magnesium bisglycinate. This one is a game changer because your body absorbs it easily and your stomach tolerates it without trouble. What makes it so powerful is the way it activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's built-in relax mode. That means deeper sleep, looser muscles, calmer blood vessels, and far less nighttime anxiety.
In short, this is the top choice for men who want to drift into deep sleep and wake up with energy and potency restored. The second is magnesium L-threonate. Unlike most forms, this one can actually cross the blood-brain barrier.
That means it doesn't just relax your body, it upgrades your brain. Men who use it report sharper focus, stronger memory, calmer thoughts at night, and even better learning ability.
It's ideal if your mind races at bedtime, if you wake up at 3 a.m. with worries you can't shake, or if you've noticed your mental clarity slipping with age. So how do you take magnesium correctly at night? Timing is everything. The sweet spot is 30 to 60 minutes before bed. For bisglycinate, the typical range is 200 to 400 milligrams per night. For threonate, it's 1 to 2 grams per night, delivering about 144 milligrams of pure magnesium. Always start with the lowest dose for a few days, then increase if you need more. Take it with a cup of warm water, or better yet, a calming tea like chamomile or passion flower. And here's a powerful tip. Once you take it, ditch the phone, shut off the TV, and dim the lights. Bright screens kill the relaxing effect. After 30 to 60 minutes, get in bed. Don't wait for sleep to come. Signal your body it's time to shut down. So what changes can you actually expect? In the first few days, most men notice they fall asleep faster, their muscles feel lighter, and their heartbeat slows naturally. By the end of the first week, energy returns in the mornings, legs feel less heavy, nighttime bathroom trips decrease, and yes, morning erections begin to reappear, often stronger than before. After 2 weeks of steady use, the difference is remarkable. Deeper, unbroken sleep of 6 to 8 hours, reduced anxiety and restless thoughts, sharper mental clarity, improved libido, and a new surge of confidence. Many men say they simply feel alive again. Without drugs, without synthetic hormones, and without side effects. But don't make these 3 mistakes because they'll sabotage everything. Mistake 1. Buying magnesium oxide or other cheap inorganic forms. They barely absorb and often cause diarrhea. Total waste of time. Mistake 2. Taking magnesium in the morning. Remember, this mineral is relaxing. If you take it at breakfast, you'll feel sluggish all day and miss the real magic that happens at night. Mistake 3. Giving up too soon. Magnesium works best with consistency. Your body is rebuilding while you sleep, and that doesn't happen overnight. Give it at least 2 to 3 weeks to truly reset your system. Error 3 is one I see all the time, taking magnesium irregularly. This mineral works cumulatively in the body. If you take it one night, skip the next 2, or forget it on weekends, you break the cycle and your body loses its rhythm. The key is consistency, at least 14 consecutive nights without fail. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, but what if I already take medication? It's a smart question. The good news is that magnesium is a natural mineral your body already depends on. It can be safely combined with most medications like blood pressure treatments, statins, prostate remedies, or even mild anxiety and depression meds. But if you're on controlled medication or blood thinners, always consult your doctor to make sure your dosage is right. Here's a powerful secret I share with my patients. Combine magnesium with zinc and vitamin B6 at night. Together, this trio supercharges your body's natural testosterone production, deepens your sleep, rebuilds muscle tissue, and reignites libido. Many men use ZMA supplements with this formula and find it's the missing piece in restoring their vitality. And this is the point I want burned into your memory. You don't have to accept fatigue, impotence, or restless sleep as just aging. These are not signs of decay. They are signs of deficiency. Your body can still be strong, vital, and fully alive, but it needs the right support at the right time. And that time begins at night with one simple capsule and a commitment to yourself. If you've made it this far, it means you're ready to reclaim your body, your energy, and your confidence. Let me be absolutely clear. Virility does not have an age limit. It has a foundation. And that foundation is still inside you. It's not gone. It's not broken. It's only asleep, waiting for you to wake it up. I've seen men who had given up, avoiding mirrors, avoiding intimacy, feeling defeated and disconnected from themselves. But once they understood the power of nighttime recovery, everything changed. Their energy came back, their confidence returned, and they felt reborn from the inside out. That transformation can start tonight. So here's what I ask you to do. If this message resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a man who needs to hear it, because too many are suffering in silence. And before you go, hit that subscribe button. Every week, I bring you natural, science-backed content designed to help you stay strong, vital, and confident at any age.